What's going on, guys? Back with another Tahoe video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance. Lauren was going to be doing the intro on this, but she got a little too nervous, so let us know what we're going to be doing today.
Changing the oil and the filter on the transmission.
This is going to be a first for both of us. I've never touched, well, I did the Corvette servo on Chomper, but aside from that, that's the only transmission, anything that I've done. So it's going to be a learning experience for both of us. Depending on what video you watch, some say that you got to take some kind of linkage off to get access to some of these bolts, but at least on this 12 model, doesn't appear to be the case. We're going to try to ease this down. Might have to do the back first just because the front of this truck already sits up pretty tall, but let's just start taking some of these bolts out.
Ah!
It's risky.
Wrong way!
I had a feeling it was going to come out this way.
That's hilarious.
Now, we're going to pry the exhaust down some so we can slip this thing out.
Is that what's stuck?
Hmm?
Is that what was stuck? Oh.
No. Yeah. Line of sight. Okay. No. Oh, sweet goodness.
Did you get it? Oh, praise the Lord.
All right, so number one recommendation would probably be to just leave the seal, this guy, in there, the stock one, if it feels fine, because this thing has been a royal pain in my butt. All the other videos that at least I saw, they were going in from this side, prying it, and I just flat couldn't get it. So, on the other side, there's your lip. I was very much questioning myself if I was prying on the right thing. But yeah, I went at it from this side and was able to twist it with a flat head. Ain't no way getting it out with a pick, at least not the crappy ones that I bought, they all bent. Have to capture this moment. Flipping finally. Holy crap. That was not fun. There we go. That is a 1516 socket, by the way. See what our magnet looks like. Normal, like, this has not been, you know, it's 200,000 miles right here. So I'm not seeing anything bad. No chunk, just, you know, 200,000 miles worth of a little bit of wear and tear on there. I ain't unhappy about that at all. Alright, it's time to put everything back together, hopefully smoothly. That little pickle fork's barely hanging on. Let's go with this. The filter. And sorry if there's a lot of noise, I got the heater going because it's freaking freezing today. There we go. New gaskets on it. It's a little floppy, but should be able to bolt it down. Just don't want to get it hung up on anything. Come on. Booyah. All right. Now we're going to very carefully put some screws back in it, ensuring our gasket's lined up, hopefully. All right, well, that's technically got it held up. Get the rest of the bolts in here. I'm missing one bolt. Where, oh, where are you, Mr. Bolt? So depending if you have a 4L60 or 6L80, obviously the fluid levels are going to be different, but there's a lot of conflicting information on the internet. So could be 5, 6, 7 quarts. We're going to go with putting 5 in it, and we'll check it and go from there. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and crank it up, let it run for a bit, and see what's up. I'm gonna check it with the cold fluid first, but then we'll do that. Our cold fluid levels looked fine, so I decided we're gonna take off in this thing. About to run out of gas, but we're almost to town, so we'll be all right with that. And then I gotta go to the DMV, get this thing registered and everything so that we can actually start driving it. And double check our fluid levels. Trans temps 108, looking beautiful. So I'll get back, make sure we ain't got no leaks. Fluid levels are proper. And then we'll be good to go. It's the next day while Lauren's not here. She's at work. We had to call it quits last night, and then I finished it up this morning. But like I said, thankfully it is shifting good, feeling right. See how much she's gonna drink down. 67 right now. Let's check out the new tail lights. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 71. All right, we are officially tagged and titled. One of the most, I guess, easiest times at the DMV. I'll tell you what, Lauren better watch out. I've never really been a fan of SUVs, but dadgummit, kind of falling in love with this little guy. Tahoe is filled slap full of gas, shifting good, driving great. I'll tell you what, dude, I really freaking like this thing. Like I said, never really been a huge, what's going on at the courthouse? What is going on? Not sure what's going on, but something's going on at the courthouse. Anyways, Tahoe was ready to rip, dude. I'm stoked. Just in time for us to take the entire fam jam to look at Christmas lights, because this is perfect. We stuff everybody in here, dude. Stoked. We just got back to the farm, checked our fluid, and it was a little bit low for the hot setting, or the hot reading. So I went ahead and added about half a quart, maybe a little bit more, and seems to be perfect. So I'll just check it every couple days. Transmission, filter, and fluid change complete. We'll see y'all in the next one.